Step 1. Paste the two motors onto the wood piece with double-sided adhesive tape. Step 2. We paste the tail on the board of the plane's fuselage. Step 3. Paste the two wheel frames of the aircraft. Step 4. Let's install the front and rear wheels of the aircraft. Note that each wheel should be fixed with a yellow axle. Step 5. Install the wing to the aircraft body without code. Step 6. Connect the wire to the battery. Step 7. Connect the wire to the two motor of the wing. Step 8. Paste the battery box to the body. Step 9. Install two propellers of the aircraft. We use cable ties to tidy up the wires. Install a biplane with battery.
Remember to subscribe to me.